Hello everybody. I'm here again. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a couple days, but check it out. I got a battle song, but it's not a real one because they're illegal in my state. I live in never mind. So you can see I know a bunch of tricks with them. Well, actually like two, but you can see. And then I'll be showing you at the end of the video some tricks with them, hopefully. Oh crap, my volume. Okay. So yeah, at the end of the video I'll be showing you some tricks with them. Like, oh, bite handle. Let me show you. And then, you can't really see. And then you go like this, and then, okay, let me show you. Okay, so I hope you get the gif right here. Then, you do like this, towards hanging off your knuckles, like that. And then, you fling it back, to where it's like this. It's resting right here. And then, you open your palm like this, and then you fling it back, and then, yeah. I'll show you another one that's kinda, but I'll show you later, because this isn't really a thing about this balisong or anything. Well, it actually is, but it's not all about the balisong and tricks and stuff with it. But I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, my lip is itchy. I just wanted to show you guys this. You can see it's a Benchmade, or so-called Benchmade. Pretty good. I've been flipping it for a while. I just got it today, so this video is today. I don't know how to edit or anything, so it's not going to take longer than about probably like a minute to upload this. And you can see it. It's not a spring action, like to where this thing just stays still like this. When you open it, it just dangles around, which isn't really a big deal, but you can get a spring action if you want. But I like this one. See, it's a comb, and I can comb my hair pretty good with it. But the problem is I have a bunch of dandruff in my hair, and it gets in my hair, so that's the thing. Anyways, here it is. I'm gonna give you a full scale with it. You can see, I'll open it for you. It's pretty big. I don't know the exact inch, but yeah, it's pretty neat. Let's see. You can see right here. It's got holes in it. I guess providing airflow or something of that nature. And I'll show you some tricks maybe, but I just wanted to show you guys. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna show you some tricks. No, screw this. Okay, so I'll show you how to open it. First, I'm gonna try to hold this in my mouth. So. Aha. And when it's full on, it'll look like this when you've practiced it. Ow, crap. Ah, just pinch myself. Ow. Yeah, that's a thing you can do with this. You can pinch yourself. It'll look like this when you've mastered it. Oh, you get the drift. Bye, guys. Oh, okay. Focus. So, I'm not sure who's this made by, but goodbye. Oh, crap. Goodbye. See you later in the next video.